When assembling the bedside lockers, you have two external panels. Number 2 goes on the left, number 4 goes on the right. Is both internal panels are identical. This is panel number 3, and they have to be assembled handed to match each side locker. The one that goes on the left hand side will have the 2 big holes for the R42s on the inside, which will give you a finished edge to the front, a finished edge to the bottom, and the unfinished panel to the top. The number 3 that goes on the right hand locker will again have the finished panel underneath, the finish to the front, but the 2 holes that take R42 go on the outside. This means that when they lie next to each other when you're assembling, they will look slightly different. However, the holes are drilled both sides, so by putting the runners into position, you can see that they're actually opposite to their opposite numbers. That will make sure that you don't make that mistake and assemble 2 the same. Okay, now following the instructions, all 4 sides of the side lockers are complete, and as you can see, they are handed to each side. Now the 3, which is the panel, they're all drilled the same, but as you can see, if you lift them up with the runners on, the outsides are slightly different because both panels have been made identically, but they have to be constructed handed to work in this particular unit. So the runners, if you've done it correctly, you now have a left cabinet and a right cabinet, and the runners, which will hold the drawers eventually, will slide in and out with the drawers on them. And as you can see, the hooks to hold the drawers, etc., are they're identical, but a left one and a right one. Make sure this is at the bottom. So this is the left-hand cabinet, and I'm just going to be fixing the top to it. Oops. Well, let's. There we go. Okay. Just need to tighten up the R2s inside, but that's the back, and the dowels show as on the very left-hand side. When making the drawers, it's important that the backs have these two holes at the bottom. Okay, and I'll show you why in a second. You'll also notice two holes in the bottom of the sides. What happens with the runners when they come out, there's a small hook at the back of each runner. That clips into the two holes at the back, and then these two holes clip onto the supports on either side of the rail. So what we do is we just push the drawer in, and then it will clip into those holes and there. But don't put the drawers in and fix them until these are fitted to the backboard, because you will need access to the inside to screw it to both the backboard and the bed base.